Ah. What in the night time?
Ouch. I am hurt.
Now what? Whoa. What happened? The hall. Huh? Where am I? Emily. Wake up.
Thomas. What's wrong?
I hurt my hurting this and where am I? It's okay Emily. How get happen? And where are we?
A haunted mine.
Oh. A smelting yard. Let's go to the haunted mine.
Okay, Thomas. Oh my. This is the ghost engine, Thomas.
I agree with Emily. This is so hurt. Who's there?
I don't know, Thomas. It's try to hurting.
Uh-oh. It's Timothy. Oh shit.
Let's get out of here, Thomas.
You too, Emily.
Look, Thomas. It's the smelting yard.
Oh dear. Why, what happened? It's the sheds. Let's go and let me see in the shed. Why did happen to me? I hope Timothy hasn't gone in there.
Me too. Let's get some trucks.
Must be brave, Emily. Oh no. Wait for me, Emily.
Thomas. What is wrong? Why are you scared?
I summing what happened to Ghost Engine with Timothy.
Don't be scared, Thomas. Let me go find him. Whoa.
Are you okay, Emily?
Yes. I hurting me.
What was that?
I don't know, Thomas.
Oh no. It's Timothy the ghost train.
No. No. No.
Emily. Whoa. What happened? What are you going?
Run for your life, Thomas. It's the ghost.
There. The ghost. Oh no, what the hell, nightmare. We never ghost engine in hurting me. And I the haunted mine. We never hurt grounded videos out with me.
What's wrong, Thomas? What are you crying? It's ever for nothing grounded video out with Diesel 10. Don't crying, Thomas. You have go to the island of Sodor. And you have to go to sleep. Okay.
Okay, well. I am going back to sleep. Good night, Emily.
Good night, Thomas.
Good night. Ah. Time to get some sleep. Good night.